Okay, recording.
What's up everybody? I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video I'll be showing my cult favorite from the year 2019. These are some of my most loved makeup products. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really help my family to grow, my YouTube family to grow.
So let's just start the video.
So the very first product I have with me is a moisturizer by Cetaphil. I know this is not a makeup category kind, but the truth is that you cannot have a perfect makeup without your skin being moisturized. And if you have a look at the consistency of the product, just see how thick the cream is. This is really a great moisturizer and a perfect base to start your makeup with, and it's really not at all expensive. Up next is a fabulous foundation, and some of you would have already guessed it by now. Yes, this is Fit Me by Maybelline, and words are not enough to describe how fabulous this foundation is. And it will not give you glossy finish. It's in fact a very matte foundation, very medium coverage. However, you can build the coverage, but in this budget there is nothing else that you can look for in the market. In fact, I have tried and measure it with some of the high-end foundations as well. This one came as a clear winner. The next product that I have for you guys is a compact powder. This is obviously a cult favorite of many. This is MAC's Studio Fix foundation, and it gives you full coverage, and you can also use it as foundation by taking a wet beauty blender. I quickly want to grab the dupe for this, an exact dupe of MAC. One is by Lakme. Both the products come with a mirror, obviously the product, and a sponge inside. Just have a look at this, guys. I mean, come on. There's nothing much of a difference that I see whenever I apply either of these two. From the coverage to the look of it, the feel of it, how mattifying both the compacts are, and how full coverage both the compacts have is commendable. However, the only difference is the price, so it's up to you to decide which one to go for. And up next is a contour powder, or probably a bronzing powder, and I do not have any dupe for this one. I truly love this brand, and I was not too sure before buying this particular bronzer, but now I am totally in love with this particular Milani bronzer. Up next is the mascaras that I own. So I love all of these three. One is the Falsies by Maybelline, the Lash Paradise one. The third one is Total Temptation by Maybelline. If you have to pick any one out of these three, I would highly suggest you to go for the Falsies, because this kind of amps up your eyelash game. If you compare it with the Lash Paradise one, this one is little shorter and thinner, I'm sorry. Just see the difference. And not that this Total Temptation is not good, is equally good, but I somehow prefer the Falsies. Up next is one of my favorite highlighters, which is by Maybelline. Just see the pigmentation, guys. So powdery, so buttery. So my pick for the highlighter is definitely by Maybelline. Up next is a concealer, and this one is by Maybelline, and this concealer is fabulous to cover all your under eye concerns, and this is highly pigmented. Just have a look at the coverage, guys. You can definitely build this concealer up, as you can see, and I have gone for my exact shade. Up next is my favorite kajal. This is by Maybelline. This is just amazing to use it as a kajal, to use it as an eyeliner. I highly suggest you guys to just blindly go ahead and buy this particular kajal. Look at the pigmentation. So what you can do, you can just use this as an eyeshadow for your smoky eye, or you can just use this as a kajal and draw one line. Just have a look. This is really a black kajal and I really like this. And the last product that I have for you guys are two lipsticks. I'm gonna swatch it and then show it to you guys. This stunning lipstick is perfect for your everyday, and this is called Dawn Fawn. Is your perfect everyday nude color which will suit everybody, be it fair complexion or dusky complexion. Up next is Milani Cosmetics Liquid Lip Cream in the shade Amar. I want to swatch it for you guys. Have a look. So this lipstick is great option if you are looking for a perfect red kind of a lipstick. In the camera it may look little pinky to you. This is really a great red color option that you can go for, and it smells like ice creams. One swipe is enough. The pigmentation of this one is much higher, however this also is equally good. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your cult favorites, and I would love to read your lovely comments. And please don't forget to
subscribe to my channel. Bye.